Driving blind in a torrential downpour is a nightmare no one should face. But that's exactly what happens when you settle for subpar wiper blades. Today, we are putting an end to the streaks, squeaks, and smudges to find out which windshield wipers actually deserve to be on your car. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which pair is worth your hard-earned money, and trust me, our number one pick completely changed the way I see driving in the rain. 5. Piaa 9765. Piaa has long been recognized as a premium brand in the automotive lighting and accessory space, and their foray into wiper blades brings a highly touted silicone rubber compound to the table. The primary selling point here is that silicone is supposed to withstand the elements much better than traditional rubber, resisting heat and ozone damage to effectively double the lifespan of the wiper. During my testing, the first thing I noticed was the unique preparation process required before you even use the blades. The package includes a special windshield prep pad that you are supposed to use to thoroughly clean and treat the glass. While the concept of prepping the glass for optimal performance sounds great in theory, in practice, it felt like an incredibly tedious extra step. If you do not apply this treatment perfectly and allow it to cure, the blades simply do not perform as advertised, making the installation process far more labor-intensive than it needs to be. When properly prepped, the silicone does leave a slight hydrophobic coating on the glass over time, which causes water to bead up quite nicely. In heavy rain, the initial wiping performance was admittedly sharp, pushing large volumes of water off the windshield with relative ease. The frame design is also quite aerodynamic, intended to keep the blade pressed firmly against the glass at higher speeds. However, my real-world testing quickly revealed some frustrating limitations. During highway driving, particularly in moderate crosswinds, I experienced a noticeable amount of wind lift and skipping. The blade would momentarily lose contact with the curve of my windshield, leaving a hazy, unwiped patch directly in my line of sight. 4. Bosch 22A 22B. Bosch ICON blades are practically legendary in the automotive world, highly praised for their bracketless beam design and robust construction. The promise here is that the tension spring arcing technology creates a custom fit to the curvature of your specific windshield, distributing pressure evenly from end to end. Bosch utilizes what they call their ClearMax 365 rubber technology, which features a dual rubber compound and an exclusive flexible dual synthetic rubber. This is designed to resist cracking from ozone exposure and remain flexible in extreme weather conditions. The blades look fantastic, sporting a sleek, modern, low-profile design that integrates nicely with the look of newer vehicles. Despite their stellar reputation, my hands-on testing left me a bit underwhelmed, primarily starting with the installation phase. While they are advertised as easy to install, the connector mechanism felt surprisingly bulky and over-engineered. On my test vehicle, the adapter created an awkward, raised bump on the wiper arm that detracted from the otherwise sleek profile. It wasn't the seamless, factory-fresh look I was hoping for. Furthermore, the actual wiping performance was highly dependent on the volume of rain. In an absolute torrential downpour, the Bosch ICONs performed beautifully, clearing the glass with a satisfying, streak-free sweep. However, the moment the rain reduced to a light drizzle or a misty morning dew, the blades developed an incredibly irritating high-pitched squeak. They seemed to drag and chatter across the semi-dry glass, lacking the smooth glide you expect from a top-tier product. For a wiper blade that commands top dollar at the auto parts store, this inconsistency is a tough pill to swallow. The Bosch ICONs are certainly a rugged, durable option that will survive harsh winters, but their tendency to squeak in light rain and their clunky adapter system make them slightly overrated in my book. 3. Rooppa 3 wipers. Right out of the gate, the most appealing aspect of this product is the sheer value it provides. Instead of hunting down individual blades for the driver's side, passenger side, and rear window, Rooppa packages an entire factory replacement set into one convenient box. For anyone looking to do a full vehicle wiper overhaul without breaking the bank, this is an incredibly attractive proposition. When I unboxed the Rooppa blades, I was immediately struck by how closely they resembled the original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, blades that came with my test vehicle. They feature a sturdy, direct-fit design that feels substantial in the hand, lacking that flimsy, hollow plastic feel you often get with budget-friendly alternatives. The rubber wiping edge felt supple and well-manufactured, indicating a good quality control process. The installation experience was an absolute breath of fresh air compared to the previous blades on this list. Because they are designed to match factory specifications, there were no complicated adapters to decipher, and no bulky clips to force into place. They simply clicked into the factory wiper arms perfectly in a matter of seconds. It was a seamless, frustration-free process that instantly won me over. In terms of performance, the Rooppa blades genuinely surprised me. During my simulated rain tests, which ranged from light mist to heavy spray, these blades delivered a consistently smooth and quiet wipe. There were no streaks left behind, no unwiped triangles in the center of the windshield, and most importantly, absolutely zero squeaking or chattering. They glided across the glass effortlessly, providing a crystal clear view every single time. 2. AUTOBOO windshield wipers. From the moment I began testing these blades, it became blaringly obvious that AUTOBOO has prioritized engineering and structural integrity. These blades utilize an OEM-style replacement design, but they pack some serious internal upgrades that elevate their performance well beyond standard factory wipers. The standout feature of the AUTOBOO blades is their dual high-tenacity memory spring steel sheet. This internal structure is meticulously curved to apply uniform, targeted downward pressure along the entire length of the blade. During my testing, this translates to a phenomenally tight grip against the glass. Even on the extreme outer edges of the windshield, where many blades tend to lift and leave streaks, the AUTOBOO wipers remain firmly planted, ensuring a complete and total sweep of the viewing area. I deliberately tested these blades during a particularly cold morning, with near freezing temperatures, to see how the rubber would react. Often cheaper rubber hardens and skips when cold, but the AUTOBOO's natural rubber blend, treated with a Teflon surface coating, remained remarkably soft and flexible. They cleared away morning frost and freezing rain without a single stutter, demonstrating incredible durability and weather resistance. Another massive positive is the asymmetrical wind spoiler built into the frame of the blade. This aerodynamic design harnesses the airflow moving over your car to physically push the wiper down onto the glass. When I took these out on the highway at speeds exceeding 70 miles per hour, they performed flawlessly. There was absolutely zero wind lift, and the wiping action remained just as quiet and stable as it was at a standstill. The AUTOBOO windshield wipers represent a masterclass in affordable reliability. 1. Rain-X 507-9280-2. As someone who evaluates automotive accessories constantly, it takes a lot to genuinely impress me, but these blades are nothing short of revolutionary. Rain-X has taken their famous glass treatment technology and literally infused it into the wiping element of the blade, creating a product that proactively improves your visibility. The magic of the Latitude 2-in-1 lies in its patented water-repelling formula. As the wiper sweeps across your windshield, the synthetic blend rubber squeegee actively applies a microscopic coating of Rain-X directly onto the glass. During my testing, the results were almost immediate and visually stunning. After just a few minutes of use in the rain, the water stopped smearing and instantly began to bead up into tiny spheres. Once that coating was established, driving on the highway became a completely different experience. The aerodynamic force of the wind caused the beaded water to literally fly off the windshield on its own. In many instances, the glass cleared itself so effectively that I actually had to turn the wiper speed down, as I simply didn't need them running as often. It is a massive leap forward in driving safety, drastically reducing the visual distortion caused by heavy rain. Beyond the water repellency, the structural design of the Latitude blade is top tier. It features an advanced beam design that contours flawlessly to the glass, eliminating the exposed metal frames that traditionally collect ice and snow. The pressure distribution is immaculate, resulting in a streak-free, whisper-quiet wipe in every weather condition I could throw at it.